Hello friends, welcome to Srijan, the creative soul. This is a tutorial on Kalighat Potchitra. Kalighat Potchitra is a folk art of West Bengal which paved its way in the British museums. It originated in the vicinity of Adiganga around Kalighat temple in Kolkata. This traditional form of scroll paintings was popularized by artists or potuas who started dwelling around the temples. Songs were sung along with these paintings to illustrate mythological scenes. With the advent of time, European influence can be seen in these paintings. These paintings are characterized by vibrant colors, bold strokes, round faces with distinct eyes, and white ornaments. Natural colors were used after preparing the canvas. Tamarind, turmeric, flour, etc. were used to extract colors. Very few artists are trying hard to preserve the cultural lineage of this dying art form. World famous artist Jamini Roy experimented with Kalighat Potchitra. He preferred himself to be called a potua. His techniques as well as subject matter was influenced by traditional art of Bengal, and he always targeted the middle class society to give them a voice through his art form. Mix equal part of Prussian blue and dark green to get Krishna's complexion. Fill the hands and the face with skin color by mixing equal part of orange and white. For the border, mix equal proportion of burnt sienna, burnt umber and red. Color the water with sky blue. Apply strokes in a single direction only. Apply thin strokes of cobalt blue and then blend it using a different brush. Outline the border of the sari using black. A speciality of Kalighat Potchitra is white ornaments. Use a thin brush to make ornaments of Krishna and the gopis. This is how beautiful the Kalighat Potchitra has come out. Please give it a try yourself.